Hey guys, so I just woke up. It's 8:20. The weather is just very gloomy and rainy. It's been like that like the whole week, so it's really not making me want to get up. It's making me just want to stay in bed the whole day. Do you see? It's like super gloomy. It looks a lot better on camera, but it's really gloomy and it's just raining. I mean, I love rain, but yeah, today is Sabrina's birthday. She turns 19 today, but Lorna is sadly not here. She's in Colorado, so it's just gonna be the two of us for her birthday, but we're probably gonna do something when Lorna gets back. Yeah, I'm gonna go meet her for Starbucks. Yeah, I'm just gonna go wash my face, put a little makeup on, and then get a start to my day. Okay, so this is the bathroom. The fan is like really loud, so I'm just gonna put music over this, but I'm just gonna wash my face, brush my teeth, and put my contacts in. Okay, so it's 8:30 right now and it just started pouring. I'll show you. Okay, so since it's pouring, Sabrina and I decided maybe we should meet up for dinner or maybe breakfast or lunch tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just gonna do like a simple makeup, just my brows and mascara. Well, I'm just gonna do my makeup here because this has like the best lighting in the whole room. But I start off with the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo. It looks like this. I got it from here for my birthday and I'm still using it. I think this is like the best. It's lasting me forever and I'm using it like almost every day. And I'm in the color Ash Brown. Okay, well, it's in the color Ash Brown. Okay. By the way, this video is gonna be a lot more like mellow and like more calm compared to the week in the life, because that I decided to only put like fun, exciting clips together where I did a lot of things, but in reality it's not like that every day. But yeah, it's just not gonna be the same. But personally, I like watching like a day-to-day realistic video of like what I do, so I hope someone out there enjoys this. Oh, by the way, I'm a hospitality major. I live in Heritage. This is like really weird because I usually like listen to music, but I'm just not listening to anything, so it's like very quiet. I'm sorry, this is like in front of a window and I constantly see people like going to the dining hall and I always like look at the people. That's a little weird, right? Oh, and the reason why I only do brows and mascara is that personally I think brows shape your face and mascara, they just like open up my eyes. I don't really like putting like face makeup because I do like to nap during the day and it just gets all over the pillow, and I don't like the feeling of having makeup like on my face, and I sweat a lot, so it's probably all just gonna come off. I feel like it doesn't look like I did much on camera, but it's a lot darker in real life. Doesn't it look a lot neater before and after? I think it's like pretty subtle, but I think it like really frames your face. And by the way, I know this is like my 6th video, but it was still like very awkward for me to like make an intro and like continuously like talk to the camera, but I think I got used to it. Yeah, it's not like as weird as like I felt before, so hopefully I'm doing a good job. How's it look? Okay, I think we're good. So now we're just going to use a brow gel. This one is from NYX, the Control Freak. I just got off of Amazon because I ran out of my other one and I really like this. think it's good for people with long brow hairs. Should I like show you closely? Like I like brush him up and like to the side like that. I think it like makes it look more like full. I really like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise one. This is a waterproof one. I think this is like my 3rd bottle and I really like it. My lashes are like pretty straight and I don't have a lot of it either, so I really like how it just makes it like longer and it makes it look a lot more full. So I like putting a lot of mascara. But like, look at the difference. Wow, right? And for my bottom lashes, it like somehow always transfers down, so I just do like 1 or 2 coats. It just like really opens up the eyes. Oh my god, so many lashes fall out every time I do that. Okay. Lip balm. Yeah, I like this one. It is almost 9 o'clock and I do have a lecture. Oh, at 12 I have a group fitness class. Today I'm going to cardio sculpt and I've never been to that, so I'm really nervous. When it's like raining, it doesn't make me want to work out. I just want to lay in bed and go on YouTube all day. After that, I'm probably just gonna wash up, do my homework a bit, and then have my interview, and then I'm probably just gonna go get food. I'll keep you updated throughout the day. Okay, so it's 9:30 and I'm gonna listen to my English lecture and I'm gonna have some pineapples for breakfast. So it's almost 12 and I'm heading to my cardio sculpt class. Hey, so I just got back from the workout. It was amazing. The instructor was so nice. Her name was Katie, and I don't know, she's like the nicest person ever. And that workout really made me sweat a lot. And so after that, I went to the dining hall, picked up lunch, and then I brought it to my room, and then I just washed up. And I also brought Amazon packages back up, so I'll do like a mini haul, and yeah, I'll show you what my lunch is. Okay, I know it doesn't look very appetizing, but it's cauliflower tacos with like the green sauce you saw was cilantro, and this is like one of my favorite meals that they have, and it comes occasionally, so whenever they have it I always get it. Okay, so I just finished eating the taco. It was so good, and now we're gonna open up an Amazon package. First one, we got leggings. Look how pretty this color is. Oh, it's so cute. For size reference, yeah, I'm a medium. They're like both like the same material, I think. They feel the same. Did I get it from the same brand? They are from the same brand. Thought it was different. Anyways, this is the pink one. It's really pretty. And then I got Sabrina's present. It's in bubble wrap, so it's gonna be a little hard to see, but they're shot glasses. They're not for me, they're for my friend. Okay, really cute shot glasses. So if you can see between Like the bubble wrap, there's like cute faces. Yeah. But yeah, I thought it was a really cute gift idea. So to go with the leggings, I also got workout tops that come in a pack of 3. It was black, dark blue, and white. Oh, they feel really soft. They're all medium. They just look like this. This is the white one. This is black, and this is the blue one. And then, oh my god. College necessity. Toothpaste. Not very fun, but a necessity. I got one more thing, but this is for my, I don't know if you just saw, but this is for my Halloween costume. I'm gonna keep this a secret. So it's almost 2 o'clock, so I'm probably just gonna do homework from 2 to 3, and then I have an interview from 3 to 3:30, so I'll probably vlog after the interview. If it went really horribly, then I'm probably not gonna vlog it because I'm not gonna be in a good mood. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, so I just finished my interview. It was about 18 minutes and 10 questions. And I think I did pretty good. I was kind of, I was nervous, but I think I did pretty good. But like, usually when I think I did good, I don't end up like doing well at the end. So I don't know. Oh, this is for a job at the rec center, by the way. Okay, now I'm going to do laundry. Okay, so I'm in the laundry room and I just brought my blanket. And it's 3:30 right now and there's absolutely no one, which I love when there's like nobody in the laundry room, so I don't have to like wait for the washers and dryers. And usually I use the Tide Pods. Yeah, I'm washing the new clothes I just got from Amazon. And the great thing about the washers here at FAU, everything is free. You don't have to pay for anything. You just have to bring your own detergent. So the washers look like that, and then the dryers are just all on the other side. So you'll be featured in it.
Period.
Say hi, this is Hefe.
Hello.
He's wearing no shoes, by the way.
Jeez, I always forget to put shoes on when I'm doing laundry. Oh. Imagine how awkward it'd be
If you walked in.
I would actually kill myself. Alright. Bye guys. Bye Liz.
Thank you.
No problem.
It's not gonna like show like the sound, but it'll be you. Stop it.
Bye. Have a good day.
So I'm in bed right now. It's been like an hour or 2 since I did laundry and I'm really hungry, but I don't want to leave and go get food because it's so far. I'm just so lazy, like I don't want to get food. I have to read from a history class for like another hour, and then I'm probably just gonna wash up and then go to bed. Yeah, I'm a grandma like that. For those that don't know, I go to sleep very early and I wake up early. Okay, so I was gonna wash my face a little later, but my contacts are making my eyes really dry, so I'm just gonna take off my makeup and contacts. Yeah, I feel like this day just like flew by. I feel like I was just here putting on lotion and getting ready, but time flies. Usually when I have waterproof mascara on, to take it off I use the Pond's with cream makeup remover, I think this does the best job at taking everything off. I'll just take like, not a lot, like this much. And I know it's very early, but I'm probably just gonna finish up some homework and edit this video a bit more and then sleep. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's not as exciting as the other videos, but this is a very realistic what I do in a day. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.